guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been gone for a minute, okay, a little minute. I had a little crisis happen to me. um First off, before I even get into any of that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and make sure you click that bell button so that you're notified every time I post a video. um Also, like this video and comment down in the comment section below, and make sure you share this video when you're done watching so that other people, your other friends on Facebook and Instagram, Snapchat, whatever, can see this video. So now we got that out the way. I have been going through it, you guys. I have been going through it, okay? I recently had the coronavirus, and so I was out for I was out for 10 days. I go back to work Friday. Today is Thursday. No, today is Wednesday. So I go back to work in about a day and a half, something like that. So that's why I haven't been filming for you guys. I've been trying to get well. Now that I am well, we're gonna get back started with the videos rolling, okay? So just a brief backstory of why I've been absent for a couple of days. For a couple of uploading days. I've been trying to get well because I had the coronavirus, but I am well now and we're back in action. So yeah, today we're gonna go for a green eyeshadow tutorial. My best friend wanted me to do green, and so I didn't have any green. Well, I had green but not in one palette, and so I went by Ulta and I seen that they had Makeup Revolution had like a green tone palette. So I was like, let's get this, let's go. So I got the palette and we're all up close and personal, okay? I got y'all all in my personal space. But I'm just going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is in the color Dark Deep. This is in the color Deep. And I'm just going to use this to prime my eyelids to prepare for the eyeshadow. Alright, so this is the eyeshadow palette we're going to be using today. This is the Reloaded Deep Dive. Sounds like the sea. Okay, so we're going to be using this palette. I cannot wait to use this shade right here. And also this shade right here. It's like a green metallic-y shade. So the first color I'm going to go into is, I'm going to go into this color. This is the number 14. And I'm going to blend that out into my crease. And it is very pigmented, so be careful. Wow. See all that pigment? She's very pigmented. I'm going to blend this shade out into my crease. I got a phone call, so I had to cut out the audio during this portion, but I'm going to take this neon, like this kind of pastel green shade, and I'm going to blend it over the top of the first color. So as you can see, I took that shade and blended it over the top, and then I'm going to take this dark blue color and blend it out into my crease, into the corner of my eye. And then I'm just going to place it there and then blend it out. And then I'm going to take this green sparkly color, and I'm also going to blend that out. I'm not going to cut the crease with concealer. I'm going to kind of just blend it out on my lid and blend the shade into the other colors. So I'm just going to blend that sparkly shade out all over my lid, and then I'm going to blend it in with the dark blue shade, and also with the green tone shade. So as you can see now, I just blended it out on my lid, and I made sure everything was blended together. Alright, so I'm literally living for this eyeshadow look. Oh my gosh, I'm living for it. Living, okay? Living, literally. So now I'm about to go off camera, and I'm about to put on my eyelashes, and then I will be back. I'm so excited to be filming y'all. Like, I haven't filmed in about 3 weeks, maybe 4, maybe a month.
I don't know. I'm just excited to be filming because the videos that I was uploading, I had them pre-recorded. So I'm just back and I'm excited to be filming and showing you guys eyeshadow looks. Like, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I will be back. Alright guys, so I have my lashes on. These are my lashes in the style China. If you would like to purchase, the link will be in the description box below to my website where you can go and purchase them on my website. So yeah, I hate to end this video here, you guys, but sadly it has come to an end. Okay, I am going to be doing my base makeup, but I'm going to be doing that in a separate video. So if you would like to see that video, I'm not sure if it'll be up before or after, but you can just go check my channel to see if it's up already. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed creating this eyeshadow look of me today. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can leave it in the description box below. And comment below a color that you want me to try. I've already did blue, purple. Well, this year I've already done blue and purple and green today. And so comment a color that you would like me to try. I have to try yellow. And then there's some other colors I want to try. So comment in the description box a color that you would like me to try next. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like and comment. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.